Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. The Jaisalmer fort is located in, your right answer is Rajasthan, option D. The study of different type of tissue is called, your right answer is histology, option D. When litmus is added to a solution of borax, it turns, your right answer is blue, option B. Which of the following blood groups is known as the universal donor? Your right answer is O negative, option D. In which of the union territory does the Panchayati Raj system not exist? Your right answer is Delhi, option A. Which of these diseases is usually transmitted by mosquitoes? Your right answer is malaria, option A. Which of the following reaction produces insoluble salt? Your right answer is precipitation, option C. What is aerobic respiration? Your right answer is respiration in presence of oxygen, option B. The valency of nitrogen in NH3 is, your right answer is 3, option D. Which Indian waterfall has 4 distinct falls, namely Raja, Rani, Rocket and Roar in it? Your right answer is Jog, option D. Which of the following occurs due to deficiency of vitamin K? Your right answer is failure of clotting of blood, option A. Pneumonia is caused by the inflammation of, your right answer is lungs, option B. After full moon, the next 14 day where the moon grows thinner and becomes invisible is called as, your right answer is waning phase of the moon, option D. A power plant where the heat required to make steam to drive turbine to make electricity is obtained by burning fuel is called, your right answer is thermal power plant, option B. Which of the following canon of taxation is also known as ability to pay principle of taxation? Your right answer is canon of equity, option B. What happens to the irregularities of the two surfaces which causes static friction? Your right answer is interlocking, option D. What is the resultant resistance of 3 ohm and 6 ohm resistance connected in series? Your right answer is 9 ohm, option D. When two or more resistance are connected end to end consecutively, they are said to be connected in, your right answer is series, option C. Which of the following elements has the highest electronegativity? Your right answer is fluorine, option A. In 1990, which sports was introduced in Asian Games for the first time? Your right answer is Kabaddi, option D. All acid produce dash gas on reacting with metals. Your right answer is hydrogen, option B. A substance that increases the rate of reaction without itself being consumed is called, your right answer is catalyst, option B. How will the light ray passing from air into a glass prism bend? Your right answer is towards the normal, option D. Which of the following is a byproduct of soap? Your right answer is glycerin, option C. Who among the following is the youngest player to play for India in T20 International? Your right answer is Washington Sundar, option D. Which of the following is a pesticide? Your right answer is DDT, option C. In which state did Bharatanatyam originate? Your right answer is Tamil Nadu, option C. Which is the hardest substance in the human body? Your right answer is tooth enamel, option D. Wood can are coated with tin but not zinc because zinc is more reactive than tin. So food can are coated with tin, not zinc. Your right answer is option A. With which of the following sports is Mahesh Bhupati associated? Your right answer is tennis, option D. Which of the following is a viral disease? Your right answer is measles, option C. Who among the following was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2019? Your right answer is Nanaji Deshmukh, option A. The Battle of Khanwa was fought between. Your right answer is Babur and Rana Sangha, option A. What determines the sex of a child? Your right answer is chromosomes, option A. Which of the following created the office of Governor General of India? Your right answer is Charter Act 1833, option D. To change a temperature on the Kelvin scale to the Celsius scale, you have to dash the temperature. Your right answer is subtract 273 from, option A. The sum of the total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is known as. Your right answer is mass number, option B. In which state is the Banaras Hindu University located? Your right answer is Uttar Pradesh, option B. Which of the following has highest amount of citric acid? Your right answer is lime, option C. Compensatory afforestation fund bill was passed by Rajya Sabha of India in the year. Your right answer is 2016, option D. Which of the following dance is not a classical dance of India? Your right answer is Bugaku, option B. Which Indian cricket ground hosted the first ever test match in India? Your right answer is Bombay Gymkhana, option B. The mass number of deuterium is. Your right answer is 2, option A. With which type of acid is the atmosphere of Venus made up of? Your right answer is sulfuric acid, option B. What should be the minimum age to get the Rajya Sabha membership? Your right answer is 30 years, option D. Dash is the matter or substance through which sound is transmitted. Your right answer is medium, option A. Which constellation has other name as the Big Dipper, Great Bear and Saptarishi? Your right answer is Ursa Major, option A. Who is India's first woman grandmaster in chess? Your right answer is S. Vijayalakshmi, option A. National income in India is measured in terms of. Your right answer is net national product at factor cost, option B. What is the resultant resistance if 2 ohm resistance are connected in parallel? Your right answer is 1 ohm, option C. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day.